It's been a while since the last video. And I still didn't talk about my very best friend Brixton Crossfire 500X from Brixton Motorcycles. I spent more than 7,000 kilometers on different types of roads, and I still enjoy improving my skills and riding on it every day. For this video, I will have to be a little bit more pragmatic, no fancy background, only one camera. As you see, I'm already packing all my things because in 2 days I will be taking the road. So let's do this. 2 days after passing my license, I went to the south of France. I searched for a bike to rent, and the only bike available, Brixton Crossfire 500. Since the first day, I felt really confident riding on it. I really fell in love with the design, the sound of the engine, and I had a lot of fun riding on it. Because of that, 2 weeks later, my little Brie has been delivered. What can I say? I'm 185 centimeters and the size is perfect for me. This motorcycle is really agile, not too heavy, and believe me, it's quite handy in certain situations. Some people may think that this motorcycle is not meant for long trips.
Ça va avec la moto et tout?
Oh ouais, tranquille. But since I have it, not even once I wish for more comfort or more power. And I love her because she has been my ticket for crazy adventures. Let's talk about Brie's upgrade. First modification, every time I was riding off-road, I was scared to break something, especially the engine. So I ordered the plate built on the Crossfire XC, but one piece was missing by the delivery. No problem for my friend, just a question of improvisation. Et voila, the thing was on. Second modification that I did, during my first trip, I was forced to ride 3 hours through mountain passes in the middle of the night and by rain. That has been really the most challenging experience, absolutely no visibility at all, so that for sure needed to be changed. First I ordered crush bars designed for this bike just to mount the lights, and these bars saved my leg on the next day. So I definitely recommend them if you are a beginner. So after fixing everything, we mounted the lights with an additional switch. And finally, the last modification. Attaching the bags have been really a pain in the ass every morning. It took me way too much time. I had to check everything twice. And even like this, I didn't have the guarantee that it will hold. On the second day, my ride bike touched the exhaust pipe, and on the fourth day, the same bike touched the wheel. So I managed to repair everything, but it was always stressing me all the time when I was riding, like, is it going to hold or not? So for that, I mounted the sidebar holder from Shad. And finally, I really needed more room on the seat. I was really close to the gas tank, and getting on the motorcycle wasn't that sexy. So for that, we mounted a luggage rack from the brand New. It has to be changed a little bit. Et voila, the design fits perfectly. Definitely an improvement for my next adventures. And yeah, that's it. I'm ready to go. I really can't wait. I'm really looking forward to really discover amazing places like in the first trip. And most of all, really can't wait to meet a lot of people on my way. I don't know if I will have time to talk about my next trip before I go, or if I will have to do it while I'm riding, but I will do for sure. So don't hesitate to subscribe and like and whatever, you know how it goes, in case you're interested in that. But in the meantime, I wish you all the best. Take care and see you in the next video of Majeek Ride. So, bisous.